Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you can see, I have an Hermes bag unboxing. This bag was on top of my wish list. Early this year, I filmed my luxury wish list for 2024. I did actually manage to tick off already almost everything apart from the mini Kelly, and this is definitely not a mini Kelly. Let me know if you'd be interested to see an updated wish list. I think I might film one because I added some new items to my wish list, but yeah, this was on top of my Hermes bag wish list and I finally have it. Before I show you the bag, this bag I didn't get directly from Hermes. I got it from Saclap. They provide such a great service, and Saclap offers a wide range of rare, difficult to find and waiting list designer bags. You can not only sell but buy with Saclap as well. If you're interested, you can get in touch with them. You can also see that they have a very curated selection of handbags on their website. They sell Hermes, mainly Chanel, Dior, Bottega Veneta. Do you guys remember Saclap used to have only one bag drop every week, and now they have two, one on Friday and one on Monday. I think the Friday bag drop is at 12 p.m. and the Monday drop is at 4 p.m. As soon as I received the notification email on my phone, I go to check out what's new at Saclap, and that's how I spotted this bag. So let me unbox it and show you what it is. You can also reserve a bag on their website. So this is actually what I did first, and then I contacted them that I was planning to travel to Munich. So instead of purchasing it online, I was like, I might as well just collect it from Munich because I was going there for my birthday. And when I went to the office, guys, I actually wanted to have a look at some of their other super special and rare bags. And I filmed a little vlog, so I'll insert it here before I show you the new bag. Okay, so next we actually have a bag that I'm very interested in. It's something that's currently on top of my wish list from Hermes. It is so beautiful. The Picotin cargo in Nata. This is such a beautiful spring summer color. It's almost Alright, so we have a Constance. You won't believe the ear. This is a vintage Constance in very dark brown lizard. It looks really good. It's from 1978. Wow. So now that you watched the short vlog, can you guys tell what I got? My bag came full set with the booklet and a receipt as well. I think I kept you waiting long enough, so here is my new bag. The Picotin cargo in black with silver hardware. So here is the bag. In this little dust bag we have, the bag is not complete without the lock. You also have the keys, so let me quickly put on the lock. So here it is, my newest addition to the Hermes family. The bag that I wanted the most this year. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted the Picotin cargo even more than a quarter bag, okay? And I was so impatient, I didn't want to wait, so as soon as I saw they had one on Saclap, because the Picotin cargo, especially the cargo style, is very difficult to get directly from the store, and when I saw Saclap had one, I was like, yep, Here it is, my bag. I've already shopped with them before, so I do fully trust them. And when you shop online, especially when you buy pre-loved or shop through a reseller, you need to have a peace of mind, and I fully trust Saclab with the authenticity of their items. Every bag at Saclab is inspected by the authentication team that specializes in super luxury brands. And if you want to get a closer look into the bags they offer, you can book a virtual advisory. So I picked up my new bag from Munich, and they kindly actually sent me the packaging and the box. They deliver worldwide express, hassle-free. As I mentioned, I have the original receipt and proof of purchase as well. This bag was bought in 2022, so it's 2 years old, but the condition is great. It was marked as grade 2 on the website. All the bags that they have on the website you can go and see. They're so nicely curated, and as I mentioned, they have grading system from 1 to 5, 1 being brand new. It's such a pleasure browsing on the website. I really wanted to get a Picotan Cargo as a more casual everyday bag. I was missing something like this in my collection, and I love that this one is canvas. It is such a fantastic grab and go bag. I have actually already used it quite a few times since I got it, and it works with majority of my wardrobe. In my opinion, it is a very understated bag, so it does not attract a lot of attention when you're out and about. It doesn't scream Hermes, but the main reason, and I've spoken about this before, the main reason I wanted the cargo style instead of the full leather was because it is more structured, and I love structured bags. I also love the more edgier look of the cargo. I've always liked the cargo style on the Birkins as well. I'd love to get one of those actually, but yeah, the full leather versions sag over time, and also because the lock is quite heavy, it weighs the bag down, and I've seen some bags that completely collapse over time because the leather is so soft and it's so thin as well. The lock creates creases on the leather, and the bag completely loses its shape unless you stuff it and put an organizer. I think eventually over time, if you use it a lot, it will completely lose its shape, whereas this is definitely a bit more structured and it won't lose its shape as easily. The bag is also very, very light, and I love the canvas, especially in the black. It's so durable. It won't show any color transfer. I will show you how I'm planning to style it and wear it. It goes perfectly with what I'm wearing today, which is not like super casual, I would say. It's like a smart casual, maybe even an office look, I would say, because I'm wearing a crisp white shirt with a black blazer. I also didn't mind the silver hardware. You guys know I love gold hardware, but actually I didn't mind the silver hardware on the cargo because it's so casual, and I also wanted to add more silver jewelry to my collection. I also adore some of Hermes's silver jewelry pieces, and I definitely want to buy more of them. I have so many on my wish list currently. I didn't mind this when I saw it on the website, although it was with silver hardware. I was like, ooh, maybe I should try this. I mainly wear black as well, so I think this is perfect for me, and I've been really enjoying it so much. So far I've purchased 2 dream bags from Saclab, and the very first Birkin I got through their request a bag option that they have on their website. They can take your wishes and let you know when they have the bag you want. Just bear in mind it might take some time, but it's one of the services that Saclab offers, and that's how I got my first tube Birkin. In my case, I think it took about a month, and they emailed me that they received one in stock, and that's how I got it before it went live on the website, because the bags on the website sell so quick, so you wouldn't want to miss out. Oh, I just remembered they also offer a bag spa service for your bags. They don't do any major repairs, bear that in mind. It's more like a care treatment to keep your bag impeccable as long as possible. So as I mentioned, I've had this bag for a couple of weeks now, and I have been using it non-stop, so this is slowly becoming my most worn bag. It's super easy to wear. It's actually I do actually prefer it to the Birkin, I'm not gonna lie, just because it's so comfortable. It's comfortable to wear, it's just easy, grab and go. The Birkin and the handles are a bit fussy, you know, they're so short and a bit uncomfortable. This is so comfortable to wear. Also, it is, bear in mind, it is an open bag, so a bit dangerous here in London. You have to be super careful, but I never put my wallet inside or my phone. I would take some cards and put them in this little flap pocket, and that's another reason I wanted the cargo instead of the leather picotin. It doesn't have any pockets. I do kind of like the open space, it's just very easy access. So I would put, let's say, my hairbrush, a bottle of water, my charger, my headphones, lipstick, mirror. It fits a ton, this bag. But yeah, I wouldn't put anything too expensive or valuable inside. I would put it maybe inside the pockets, like my keys I'll put in one of the pockets on the front, and then my credit cards I'll put in the little flap pocket. I love this bag. I love it so much. You have no idea. Now I want to get more of these. I'm so obsessed. I actually already mentioned to my essay that I want another one in black with gold hardware, just so I have the option of the two hardwares. And I also want this color. Oh my god, it is so stunning. I also tried on, you guys, so I saw the Nata. Such a beautiful piece. And yeah, do check out Sac Club because they do have those backdrops, and I have seen quite a few Picotin cargos. As I said, they currently have this stunning Nata. I think it's a must-have. I think the cargo is a collector's bag. I'm not sure how long they'll keep producing it for. It's quite a new bag as well. I think they released it a couple of years ago. And it's a hard to get bag. It's much easier to get the leather picotin instead of this one. I definitely want to get this in more colors. It is an awesome bag, highly recommended, very practical. I think you would love it as well. I would love to hear what you guys think of my new Hermes bag. As I mentioned, this was on top of my wish list, and now that I've ticked it off, can't wait for the mini Kelly next. Hopefully I'll get one this year. But yeah, Sac Club also has so many mini Kellys, and I'm drooling. Did you guys see the blue jean I tried on at the Munich office? Wow, stunning. You can contact them, as I mentioned, and they can send you more pictures if you're interested. Honestly, the service, I highly recommend them. The service is great at Sac Club and everyone is so lovely. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's bag unboxing. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, I'd love to hear which Hermes bag is currently on top of your wish list for 2024. Share with me below. Let's chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!